everybody, I'm going to talk about my kitchen. This is my laundry, my kitchen, and my microwave. My kitchen is between laundry and microwave. I live in Comas. My kitchen is colored cream and white.
Yeah.
My favorite room is my kitchen. I love it, so it is my favorite. The microwave is next to the refrigerator. My refrigerator is colored white. The door is brown. My kitchen is in front of the windows and the table. On this shelf are seasonings.
Yeah.
The box is under the table. The cups and glass are in the shelf. The rice cooker and blender is under the shelf. And this is all. Thanks.